Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up the IPTV smarters to your Firestick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally free of charge. To do so, we just need to go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's the app, which you need to get. But then, after you've got Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. So let's do that together. Just click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. Click on it, and from here you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go to install unknown apps. Now from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps on Firestick, here it is, open it, and there's the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the loader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device, let's open it up, and now it is time to start using the Downloader, finally. So just open it up together, and now here, what you need to do is open the search bar, and now we'll need to start entering the link. And the code is gonna be 6468112. So again, 6468112. That's the code you have to enter. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And the download of the app has started now. Usually takes only a couple of seconds. Then click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click unopened yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't really need anymore on a Firestick device. So you click delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And then when you go back to a list of apps on your device, you open it, wait a moment until it loads, and now here at the bottom you will finally see IPTV Smarters. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and this way it will be easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then you can just open IPTV Smarter, select the device type, which is obviously ATV, scroll down the license agreement and click Accept, and from here you can either use M3U playlists or Extreme codes, so it's up to you. Choose any of those options depending on your IPTV provider, of course, and enjoy the app. And see you next time, of course. Bye bye.